He's just been beaten, at least some of the narrations mention twice or more. He's been beaten with a beating that made everything in the heavens and the earth heard his scream, except the human beings and the jinn. And he's being burnt with fire. And he's lying on a bed of fire with clothing from fire. His ribs are crushed against themselves. The poison of Jahannam is coming into his mouth and his nose. The door of Jahannam, he can see Jahannam from his grave. What does he ask Allah for? He asks Allah, oh Allah, let me stay here. That's the most profound thing. He begs Allah to let him stay there. Rabbi la tuqim as-sa'a. My Lord, allow me to stay here. Don't make the day of judgment come. Because he knows what is coming is worse and worse and worse. Could you imagine someone in that state, in that pain, in that suffering, and he's making dua, Ya Allah, let me stay in my place.